Danny Highsock here with Call One Inc. And today we have the new Sennheiser SDW 5016 that we're gonna unbox. So let's do it. So this is a new series from Sennheiser. I don't know if it's replacing their existing SD series, but I do know that this is a new series. They now offer triple connectivity, so you can take this headset and connect it to your desk phone, PC, and mobile device. Again, so here's a bunch of stuff nobody cares about. More stuff that nobody cares about. Here's the actual product. So you got AC adapter. And here's the headset, by the way. It looks kind of, I don't know what this is, but we'll figure all this stuff out when we start trying to put it together. So here's it looks like a USB cable, and then here's the face. And so you're probably asking, so what's cool about this set? And I think that's everything. All right, so here's the base. Here's what looks like the cable for your desk phone. Here's the headset itself. Here's the USB cable. Here's the AC adapter, and here's multiple wearing styles for this headset. So you're probably asking what's cool about this guy. So number one, it has fast charge time. So you can go get a 50% charge within just 30 minutes. You can get a full charge with just an hour. So that's pretty cool. Secondly, you get a full 2-year warranty with this. Most wireless headsets only offer a 1-year warranty, so a full 2-year warranty is pretty cool. The other thing is this guy right here. Right? So check it. It comes with a USB port on the side and a dongle, so you can pair Bluetooth headsets from Sennheiser to this. But other than that, let's say you're in a call, a private call, and you want to make it a group conference call. You can take like a USB speakerphone and plug it into that, right? And besides that, because I know my USB ports, they get sucked up. So to have an additional USB port to, like, let's say charge my mobile device is pretty cool. But we'll get this thing set up, get it running, and see how it works, and then we'll do another video for you. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, look in the description box below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.